Welcome to the fascinating world of Igbo mythology, where ancient stories and vibrant traditions come to life. The Igbo people, an ethnic group from Western Africa, are known for their rich cultural heritage and deep-rooted traditions. They have a vibrant culture that is steeped in tradition and myth, celebrated through music, dance, and art. In this video, we'll delve into the Igbo creation myth, a captivating tale passed down through generations. This fascinating story reveals the origins of the Igbo people and offers a glimpse into their ancestral beliefs and values. Join us as we uncover the mysteries and beauty of Igbo mythology and learn about the traditions that continue to shape their identity today. According to Igbo mythology, the world was created by Chukwu, the supreme god. Chukwu is said to have created the world and all living things, including humans. The Igbo people believe that Chukwu is a benevolent god who is concerned with the well-being of all humans. The Igbo creation myth also tells the story of Eri, the revered founder of the Igbo people. According to the legend, Eri was a divine figure sent by Chukwu, the supreme deity, to establish the Igbo nation and guide its people. Eri is said to have been sent by Chukwu to establish the Igbo nation. He is believed to have brought with him wisdom, knowledge, and the cultural practices that would define the Igbo way of life. The Igbo people believe that they are the direct descendants of Eri, and this lineage is a source of great pride. The stories passed down through generations emphasize the importance of Eri's teachings and the values he instilled in his people. Their ancestors played a significant role in shaping their culture and traditions, which are celebrated through vibrant festivals, dances, and rituals. These cultural expressions serve as a reminder of their rich heritage and the enduring legacy of Eri. The Igbo creation myth is significant because it provides insight into the Igbo people's understanding of the world. This myth, rich in symbolism and tradition, offers a window into the values and beliefs that have shaped the Igbo community for centuries. It explains their origins, their place in the cosmos, and their relationship with the divine. The myth serves as a foundation for their cultural practices and social structures. It also highlights the importance of community, emphasizing how individuals are part of a larger whole. The interconnectedness of all humans is a central theme, reflecting the Igbo belief in unity and collective responsibility. The myth underscores the value of working together and supporting one another, which is evident in their communal activities and traditions. The myth has been passed down through generations, often through oral storytelling, ensuring that each new generation understands and appreciates their heritage. It continues to play a vital role in Igbo culture and identity, influencing their rituals, ceremonies, and everyday life. The Igbo creation myth is not just a story, it is a living tradition that binds the community together. The Igbo creation myth is a fascinating story that reveals the origins of the Igbo people. It is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people and their deep connection to their ancestors and traditions.